Welcome to Seers Cookie Consent for Drupal. Once installed, then click on Seers Cookie Consent. The dashboard confirms your banner is active, showing regulation, language, and targeted location. Next, click Account Setup. Under Create Account, your website URL is filled automatically. Just enter your email address, tick both agreement boxes, and click Connect and Save. Your domain group ID is generated automatically, and your banner is now connected to Seers. Now open Consent Banner and select General. Here you choose your regulation type and banner language. Under Geo-Target Location, decide who sees the banner, worldwide, UK and EU countries, or Auto-Regional Detection. You can also enable Automatic Language Detection. On the right, you'll find a quick reference of global privacy laws, like GDPR and CCPA. Under Appearance Settings, control your banner's behavior. Show or hide the banner. Enable the consent badge, record every consent for audits, cover subdomains, and set how often visitors are asked. Then save changes. The Visuals tab is where your banner comes to life. Customize the Accept, Reject, and Cookie Settings buttons. Change their text color, and button color to match your brand. Edit the banner message and pick your text and background colors. Choose a button style, default, flat, rounded, or stroke. Select a display style, banner, modal, or tooltip. Then pick a position, top, bottom, corners, or hanging layouts. Premium users can upload their own logo. Finally, choose your font and size, and hit Save Changes. Tracking Manager scans your site and controls every third-party script, automatically open frameworks, to enable industry consent frameworks and signals. Toggle on the ones you need. Open Privacy Policy to create a cookie policy for your website that tells users which cookies you use and how they function. Open Reports to run a website scan report. A full report on the types of cookies your site uses and how risky or sensitive they are for compliance. Need help? Documentation and support are one click away.